Hi, this is Marty from the Dougherty Garden. Today we're in the process of doing cleanup, mulching the area, since we have to do a lot of time by ourselves. So I'm back here in the garden all by myself, cleaning up and getting rid of the weeds, which have overgrown this year for some reason, extremely abnormal. So here we go. That's a yellow plant up front. I forget the name of it, Umboli or something like that. Timberado. You get a name. I'll check it out later on. But this is what I was doing, and while I was here I was spreading a little more mulch as I'm taking out the weeds. As you can see, we're doing a good process here. And I says, okay, I'm working with my Hawaiian tea plants, and I'm sure I'm going to get a word about that one. Hawaiian tea plants, cleaning up some of the stuff, and I says, okay, there's the other Hawaiian tea plants. And I have to thank a shout out to Ruth, because I would not have these Hawaiian tea plants if it was not for Ruth. Thank you, Ruth, and happy birthday today. Just wanted to wish you well, and thank you for basically everything, or the majority of the stuff that's in the Dougherty Garden. I have to give a shout out to Ruth, because most likely I got a cutting or something from Ruth. So thank you, Ruth, and happy birthday, many, many, many more. And I just wanted to show you something that I was completely surprised with this morning, or this afternoon now. But here is my pink version of the Hawaiian tea plants. Thai plant, tea plants, whichever you got. And I said, I've been waiting for seeds. And sure enough, I must have missed it, because there is the seed pods. And here's, I can see 3, 4, and just if you sneak down there, there's more. So basically, that is the first time I have been able to capture the Hawaiian tea plant putting out miniature flowers, tiny little flowers, and seed pods. Wake up, Marty. Watch and see the viruses. Coronavirus is driving me crazy here. All right, so there it is. The seed pods. There's like 4 of them. So I'll take pictures. But what I'll do is I'll capture those little moments and put them on a pot and pot them up, so this way I can capture them and make sure that I definitely don't lose them this time. I don't know if I got them before, but this is the first time I've been actually able to capture a picture of the seed pods, and we're actually going to catch the seed pods. So that's it. So here we are. Thank you for stopping by. Enjoy taking a look at the Dougherty Garden. And once again, thank you, Ruth. Happy birthday. Enjoy it. And like I say, please like the video. I need attention. And also, thank you, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.